friends, welcome to our Talk Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the COVID cases in India and what are the shares which will give COVID crisis time. And friends, yesterday we already mentioned about kill pest, and friends, today it hit our first target like this one 453. I already drawn the line and our next is 521. Friends, this is previous COVID time high and first we kept this one as a high and we are thinking tomorrow it will cross this 520 also and no need to take any selling. Why? Because continue COVID cases will increase and why also I will mention and see here the last previous value is 521 and that is the highest value up to now for this kill pest. But friends, don't enter after this price. Why? Because selling, if you see here, from here it started and up to here, if anyone entered here also in these lower circuits, they didn't come out of the stock. So in my view, it's okay to enter today. And see, we kept target 450, but itself it crossed the target 450 and hits upper circuit, and we are taking this one as next target. And friends, I am going to tell you one thing is this one. See, High Court ramp up COVID-19 testing infrastructure. HC tells Delhi government. So why they are showing less cases means they are not taking a higher test. That's why they are showing less cases recorded within 24 hours like that. So if they increase the number of tests, then they will gonna see a good number of cases also. So due to this, High Court announced, that means ordered Delhi government to increase the test cases. And friends, next one I am going to say is this one, Ingersoll Rand. This is one of the company, MNC company, which manufactures compressors, friends, air compressors in India. So we can see a good movement in this, and also the company announced their air compressors demand increased 3 times. So we can expect a further move. Their brands Comp Air, Ingersoll Rand, and Gardner, Denver, and Nash, and there are so many brands that this company provides. And see here where this company going to provide means food, beverages, general manufacturings, and Gulf and resorts, and government and military industrials. And government announced all these. Compressors and oxygen gas which is used for industries kept a hold on that and move that oxygen to medical purpose only. So in that area we can see a good movement, and this company also providing for pharma and life sciences also. So they are having a huge number of what you call air compressors business, and which are using for what you called uh, hospitals oxygen cylinders. So there this this compressors air compressors has to use. So see here, filter by product range air compressors. If you click air compressors, then we are going to see what are the companies it having. So what are the companies not, what are the things it having: compressors and vacuums, and oil free compressors, oil injected compressors. There are so many things which related air compressors. So friends, this is what I want to mention, and the company also looks somewhat good, and recently the company taken a breakout. You, up to now the company which doesn't give any breakout and moving so many days with the same value. If you see here, uh, Ingersoll Rand. See here, from so many days, I kept 1 year and 5 years. See here, from the last 1 year onwards, it is taking like a bottom 480 and up as 680, and it is moving in between these ranges. And the breakout volume, if you see here, with 1 week. We are seeing 2.27 millions, and here one positive 1.5 million, and today we seen like 1.37 millions. So we can expect a breakout here, and highs will be 920. So we are taking a first target of 7, this one here itself, 816 as our first target, and next will be the 52-week high 910. So friends, I am expecting this year also will give good movement, friends. And these two companies which related with a government moves, and already Tamil Nadu government announced Tamil Nadu allows Sterlite plant to operate for 4 months to produce oxygen. So there will be a chance of increased cases in Tamil Nadu. That's why Palaniswamy sir, CM of Tamil Nadu, announced they are going to start Sterlite plant to produce oxygen from its plant in Tuticorin, which is a Vedant company, and Vedant share increased 5% today with this news. So friends, this is the latest update we got, and if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.